Alright, hello, welcome. My name is RJ and today it's a video I've been saving to do for like 3 months now, no lie. So I got a bag full of AliExpress cases. I ordered them for my iPhone XS Max and today we're gonna be going through them. So all these cases were like $2 to $3. They're like super cheap, okay? Super cheap. So the first case I got was this floral looking one and it's a hard shell case. The cutouts seem precise. Actually, let me put my phone on. The cutouts are precise. I don't have my phone on. Ooh, that snapped real nice. So this is how it looks with the case. I mean with the phone. I like it. The cutouts are very precise. It feels good. It has like these weird cutouts on the, like the edges. You can like see it from the inside. These like, I don't know what they're there for. Like in these corners, like why? I don't know, whatever. Print is pretty good. It feels like decent quality. It doesn't feel like this was $2 or $3 at all. I would give this one 10 out of 10. All right, the next case is, this marbly looking one. So I kind of have an obsession with marble at the moment. You'll see. So this marbly looking one, this one is like soft, it's silicone, is that what it is? I don't know. The thing with some of the AliExpress cases is the print doesn't go all the way around. So on this one you can see like it's clear from the top. I don't know, I mean you get kind of used to it, but I don't know why print doesn't go all the way around. I guess it's easier to like print it on just the top part. Again, feels very good. So these cases are like more for fashion instead of protection. Oh yeah, this is how it looks by the way. I like it. This one I would give 9 out of 10 only because of the little clear part on the side. Kind of bothers me. Next is another marbly looking one. This one is kind of like that one phone case loopy. I don't know, I wanted that one, but it's like expensive, so this is the next best thing. It is hard, and then it has this little thingy. You just like pull it down and you can like hold your phone so your phone won't drop. Let me put it on and then show you. But yeah, this one's harder. This one is a little bit more thicker than the other phone cases, so I would feel a little bit safer with this one. Protection. Yep, put it on. This is how it looks. It's quite thick. So this is how it works. It's not falling out. The thing is like you can't like have it halfway, like you know, you can't choose the length of this thing. Like once you put your finger through it goes all the way. I mean you can put 2 fingers in, I guess. Oh yeah, 2. Wait, I have like fat fingers, so if you have thinner fingers it might work a little bit better for you. Very good, very good. Cutouts are precise. Oh, and what it says on the back is, I want personality, not trivial. That doesn't make sense, but okay. I give this one 8 out of 10 just because I don't like the little saying, that little whatever that is. Alright, next phone case I have is Daddy-O. Where is this guy from? This is a clear case and they just printed this little picture on it. It's soft, clear, it wraps around. Basic stuff. Oh, I put it on backwards. Okay. Goes so good with my silver phone. I really like it. Just basic, but a cool little graphic. I got this one because it's like very It's something different. It's like very ancient plus modern, something you wouldn't expect, like bubblegum, really. Okay, next one. Oh, rating. I give this phone 10 out of 10. My next one is this beauty. Look at this. It's like glossy marble print, and again, it doesn't wrap around all the way. It's clear from the edges. And this one is soft. It wraps around all of the 4 ways. I think I like flexible cases more than hard shell cases. I don't know. It's my preference. Ooh, look at this. This is so pretty. And I paid like $2-3 for this. It goes, oh, looks so good. All right, rating for this one, 10 out of 10. You know how it. Next is, boom. This is like way flexible than even the others, so just printed on picture Lana Del Rey, her face on the Mona Lisa. I just thought it was so cool. Let's put the phone on. Ooh. Ooh. This looks so cool. Instead of this, I'll be like, oh hi, what's up? Rating for this one, 9 out of 10, just because it's kind of flimsy. Last but not least, my favorite case. This one's actually the first one that came in the mail, so this is the one I popped on first, and I've been using it ever since. I'm so in love with this case. This one came with a little fake pop socket looking thing. It didn't come attached to it, it came separately. I put it on myself, and I love this one. Look at it. I freaking love it. It was like 2 something. And I'll be honest, I was kind of skeptical about using like a pop socket that's not officially from the pop socket brand, but this is perfect. Like, and the best thing is it works great with like the pop socket little holder I have in my car, so I can just. This phone case, 11 out of 10, because I fucking love it. Oh, I forgot to mention, one phone case, I believe it was this one, came with like this weird little thing. Is it like to put it around your neck? And then you put this part through the little holes, so you just like carry your phone like this. Let me see if it works. So I got it in. So it actually like detaches from this long piece to just this hook piece. So is it like, I think I put it in here like this? Am I supposed to like carry my phone like this? Like what the hell? I would not trust this thing. And then you get a call, you like, you just pop that out and be like, hey, yo, what up? Alright. Oh, and then this case, it came with this lanyard thingy, and then also stylus, which works pretty good. Here, let me do it. That was the case review / haul from AliExpress. It's my first time, so don't judge me too hard. Alright, and thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.